So in this video today, I need to make a quick lunch. So let's get started, guys. Now today I decided to go ahead and make a tuna fish sandwich with onion, some pickles, some chips, and then that is it. So before I begin here, as you see me getting started here, this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. This is being hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle. That's myself. We have Jean Home Decor and More, and Jennifer at Home. Now, after draining the tuna fish from the can, which is the Starkist Alcapore solid white tuna, we went ahead and drained this because it was in water, and so we're going to put that in a bowl. I usually put a tablespoon or two of the Duke's mayo, and I am going to be putting in there some chopped onion that I had in the fridge. We're going to put some salt and pepper in that, and then we're going to mix that around, get the bun ready, and we will be there. So I definitely had a busy morning. And when I say morning, I've been up since 5. I have done laundry. I have gone grocery shopping. And I didn't even realize I didn't have anything to eat. And that's why I feel famished. So grabbing a tuna fish sandwich while my son is resting is something I needed to do quickly. So thank goodness I had that bowl there on the side with some shredded lettuce, and in there was also some diced onion. And so I put the diced onion inside of the bowl. I grabbed one of the dill pickle spears, and then I picked out the lettuce pieces that I needed, and we're gonna piece this together right now. Now, I always finish everything off like this with some chips, and we can't I can't eat a sandwich without chips. So I'm gonna go and get those, put a nice little bunch there right next to everything, and my plate will be done shortly. And then we'll head on over to the reveal. Now, doesn't this look yummy? Let's take a closer look.